Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class, I am going to solve 2024 CBSE Class 10th Science question paper. In this session, I will be solving only physics questions in clear and easy manner. I request all students to listen carefully, understand the concepts and note down important points. This session will help you understand the exam pattern, type of the questions and correct answering method. Our first question is based on lenses. So let me read the question first. At what distance from a convex lens should an object be placed to get an image of the object on the screen? So options they given. Option A, behind twice the focal length of the lens. Option B, at the principal focus of the lens. Option C, at twice of the focal length of the lens. Option D, between the optical center of the lens and its principal focus. First, we'll understand different cases of the convex lens. You all are familiar with the 6 different cases of convex lens. In a convex lens, there are 6 different positions where we can place the object, and for each position, image is formed at different position. So now let us discuss them one by one. First case, when the object is placed at infinity, the image formed at focus. Focus in the sense f2 of the convex lens. So second case, when the object is placed behind 2f1, the image formed between f2 and 2f2. So in first case, second case, we can see real and inverted image. Third case, when the object is placed at 2f1, image is formed at 2f2. So here also image is real and inverted. But here we can get same size as the object. Okay, let me discuss about fourth case. When the object is placed between 2f1 and f1, image is formed behind 2f2. Here also we can see real and inverted image, but enlarged image. Then fifth case, when object is placed at f1, image would not be formed. Sixth case, when object is placed between f1 and optical center, means O, image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object. Here image is virtual and erect and magnified. So out of this 4 answer, option C is correct. At twice of the focal length of the lens. Twice means what? 2 times. Focal length f. Twice of the focal length means 2f. So if we place object at 2f1, we can see image at 2f2. So then option C is correct. Okay, now let us move to the next question. The question is, the lens system of the human eye forms an image on the light sensitive screen. What is this screen called? The options given are option A, cornea, option B, ciliary muscles, option C, optic nerve, option D, retina. This is very easy and direct question. We know that the light sensitive screen of the human eye is retina. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, retina. In human eye, a real and inverted image is formed on the retina. Now, let us quickly understand the function of other parts. So, first one, cornea. The cornea is the outermost transparent layer of the human eye. So, we know that maximum diffraction of the light takes place at the cornea. So, in option B, they given ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles change the shape of the eye lens. This helps the eye to focus near and distinct object. In option C, they given optic nerve. Optic nerve carries electrical signals from retina to brain, where the image is finally interpreted. Okay, let us move on to the next question. The question is, the pattern of magnetic field produced inside a current carrying solenoid is. They given 4 options. In option A, you can see parallel straight lines. Option B, they given concentric circles. In option C, we can see combination of parallel lines and curved lines. In option D, one straight line at the center, then curved lines around it. Now, before choosing the answer, let us recall what is a solenoid. A solenoid is a coil consisting of many circular tons of a wire wrapped closely in the form of cylinder. Okay. Now let us understand the magnetic field pattern. So you know solenoid diagram. You can see in the picture around the solenoid the magnetic field lines are curved lines. Inside the solenoid magnetic field lines are straight and parallel and also equally distributed lines. This indicates that magnetic field inside a solenoid is uniform. So, among the given options, the diagram that shows parallel straight line inside the solenoid is the correct one. Therefore, correct answer is option A. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Assertion and reason type questions. Assertion what they given? Rainbow is the natural spectrum of sunlight in the sky. Reason, a rainbow is formed in the sky when the sun is overhead and water droplets are present in the air. Now, the options given are option A, both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option C, assertion is true, but reason is false. Option D, assertion is false, but reason is true. Let us analyze the assertion first. The statement rainbow is a natural spectrum of sunlight in the sky. This is correct. So A is true. Now let us check the reason. Okay, in reason, water droplets must be present in the air. This is true. But, so what they given? Sun is overhead. That is incorrect. A rainbow is formed when the sun is behind the observer and water droplets are in front. So sun should not be overhead. It is opposite in the direction. So reason is false. Therefore, correct answer is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Okay. Now let us move on to the 2 marks questions. This question is a numerical problem from light chapter. So the question is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position of the image formed by the mirror. So first write down the given data. So what they given? Object distance. Object distance is nothing but u. U is 10 centimeter. So we know sign conventions. So in sign convention, we are taking object distance always negative. So then here object distance is minus 10 centimeter. Next, they given focal length of the convex mirror. Focal length of the convex mirror they given 15 centimeter. So we all are familiar with sign convention of convex mirror. So in convex mirror, focal length is positive. Then f is equal to plus 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the image distance. Image distance is nothing but V. V is equal to question mark. Now write the mirror formula. So according to mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Now rewrite the mirror formula because we need to find image distance. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Now substitute the values. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 minus of 1 by minus 10. Now minus 10 and minus become plus. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Taking LCM of 15 and 10 which gives 30. So now LCM is 30. 15 2 is a 30. Multiply 2 with 1 and 10 3 is a 30. Multiply 3 with 1 in numerator. Now we can get 1 by V is equal to 2 plus 3 by 30. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 30. So 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. Then V is 30 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. V is equal to 6 centimeter. So our answer is 6 centimeter. So when an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the convex mirror of the focal length 15 centimeter, the image will be formed at distance of 6 centimeter behind the mirror. So since convex mirror is always forms a virtual image, the image is positive. Okay, let us move on to the next question. This question from electricity chapter. The question is, show how you would connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the equivalent resistance is 9 ohm. Also justify your answer. So here they give an answer also. Answer is 9 ohm. Each resistor has resistance of 6 ohm. Okay. We all are familiar with combinations of resistor. So one is series combination, another is parallel combination. In this question they given 6 ohm 3 resistors. So let me connect 3 resistors in series. So if I connect end to end, it become series combination. The given resistance value is 6 ohm resistor. So series combination formula you know, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So let me substitute the values 6 ohm plus 6 ohm plus 6 ohm. So if I add all the 6, I'll get 18 ohms. So this is incorrect. Let me connect two resistors in parallel and one with series. So now you know parallel combination formula. So R1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So now substitute the values. R1 is 6 ohm, R2 also 6 ohm. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 gives 2 by 6. Now 1 by Rp is 2 by 6, then Rp becomes 6 by 2. If you cancel, 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. Now your answer is 3. So we have one more resistor which is connected in series. Now you add that 6 ohm resistor with 3 ohm resistor, you will get answer 9 ohm. This is correct. This is the correct method. So you can follow this one to get 9 ohm as an answer. Okay, let us discuss 25th B question. Here they given one circuit diagram. In the given circuit, calculate the power consumed in watts in the resistor of 2 ohm. Here they given 2 ohm resistor. 1 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistors. These two are connected in series. So let me solve the combination first. You know series combination formula. These two resistors are connected in series. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. 1 plus 2 gives 3 ohm resistance. They given potential difference in the circuit, that is 6 volt. Now by using resistance value and potential difference value, we can find out current. So according to Ohm's law, we can write V is equal to IR. I becomes V by R. So now substitute V value as 6, R value as 3 in the formula. Now what we will get? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So current value is 2. So our next step is we have to find out power value across 2 ohm resistor. Now we know power formula. P is equal to I square into R. So I square means 2 square. R value is 2 ohm. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8 watt. So our answer is 8 watt. Okay. We still have 3 marks questions, case based questions and 5 marks questions to solve. I will cover all of these questions in next video. Since this video is already getting lengthy, I will discuss those questions in the next part. I hope now you understand numericals and questions and answer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you everyone.